Y'all is not going to catch Supportive Mom out there on that ship not prepared. Okay, good morning. Ooh, let me put my cap on here, y'all. Hello, y'all. It's Supportive Mom. I'm back and I am going on a cruise. Do y'all like my hat? I am so ready to go on this cruise. I decided to show y'all some of the stuff that I got. Y'all, I've been shopping, buying stuff. This is my first cruise. I'm excited. Y'all see I got my sun hat. Pretty girl, not trying to be all sunburned and everything. Need to decide how I'm gonna wear my hair. But I'm gonna show y'all some of the stuff that I got for my cruise. To start off, y'all, I got my first aid kit. It has 298 pieces of everything in it. Cause y'all know from Mr. Lincoln, and then I'm gonna have some more little nieces and nephews on the ship. And y'all know how y'all young folks do. Aunties, you got a Band-Aid. I forgot to pack my Band-Aid. I forgot to pack the antibiotics. Grandma, auntie, Supportive Mom is gonna have them. So we got the first aid kit. Y'all see my little cup? Y'all, what I did, I went on this site that's called Cruise Essentials, and I told y'all about the cup I've been watching. So they basically been telling me all of the nice things to buy. So she said if you have your cup, although I purchased a drink package, I educated myself. I've been watching cruise videos on YouTube. I've been trusting my fellow sister and brother YouTubers for the information. So I hope that all this info that I'm getting from you all is correct. And let me show y'all my swimsuit cover-up that I got to go with it. It's by Jones of New York, 2-piece. This came together, y'all. It has the beads on it, like here, to match on the hat. So am I going to be looking cute sitting poolside? Here I purchased also the motion sensor light because somebody's video I watched said that your room could get a little dark sometime at night. Because I did not get a balcony room because I'm sharing rooms with D-Side and Mr. Lincoln. I'm not doing balcony with Mr. Lincoln ever. I don't care what y'all say about the view. Open the door, let the water hear the breeze. I'm not doing it. No. Okay. For my elegant night, y'all, this is what I decided to do. I ordered this on Amazon. Amazon owed me, y'all, for this month. It has these cute little shoes in here. And look at this. And it's got the little rubber backing. And y'all, I'm thinking about wearing, did y'all remember the dress that I wore for my birthday? I'm thinking about wearing that for elegant night with this. And see, I can just put this on my wrist, captain's night, elegant night, and I won't slip and fall. But I could dance and everything, and I'm gonna be cute in these. Mr. Lincoln, we're gonna do breakfast one morning. But thing one, thing two. Y'all know I got to go in grandma mode and go to breakfast with my grandbaby. Don't play. Am I gonna be cute or what? Should I get the socks, y'all? Tell me if y'all think I should get the socks. Okay, and then also, when I go down to the pool, I found this one at Dollar Tree. This cute little bag here. Y'all like it? It's light. Real light. Then Amazon, of course, I found this mash bag. I got this one because I saw it came in all different colors. Peach, blue, green. But I decided to go with black so it wouldn't get dirty. And it has all these nice little pockets on it. So, and if I sit it down, see, even if it get wet, it's a nice mesh bag. Got pockets here, here. Here has pockets everywhere, all around. And there's even a nice clear pocket on the inside if I want to put something in it that won't get wet, that has a zipper on it. Got that one for poolside. Got black because it'll match this here. So I got all of that. For my laundry, I got this travel laundry bag pop up. I'm telling you, y'all YouTubers, baby, watching the videos, y'all told me everything to get. I got this little handle here to weigh the luggage, digital luggage. I needed this anyway. Because it says, now y'all tell me if y'all been on a cruise, but it says that my bag should not weigh over 50 pounds. So y'all let me know, do they actually weigh the bags? Because I've been going through a lot of videos and nobody has really told me if they actually weigh those bags. So comment down below and tell me, do they actually weigh the bag or can I just stuff my suitcase? Oh y'all, this is so nice right here. This is my fanny pack that I can wear poolside. And I like this one. Look, it has 1, 2, 3. It snaps once, snaps twice, snaps 3 times. And you can put your phone and everything in here. And I can't show y'all that my phone will fit because I'm filming on the phone. But I did try it out. You roll it over. Little advertisement that I watched. The young lady had hers on, y'all. She was in the water and had all her stuff in here and nothing was getting wet. Fanny pack, poolside. I had to get the door stopped. Somebody's video I watched said that sometimes they may come in, so they don't try to. And it has a little alarm on it. You just slide this under your door. I'm going to put a battery in it. And when this pushes down, and I'm so wrong for not putting a battery in here to show y'all. It uses a 9-volt battery. But when you push it down, it goes beep, beep, beep. And I need to get the battery for this. And I have 2, so I'll probably get Destiny or Dominique or somebody one for their room. I've been sharing the links, telling everybody what I've been getting. Y'all know I had to go into grandma mode. Let me show y'all what I got for Mr. Lee. Now, this how I got all his stuff. But y'all know I'm a grandma. Grandma gonna have something on that ship packed for her grandbaby. Just like y'all mamas do for y'all babies too. We have the children's allergy relief, electrolyte powder for kids, strawberry flavor, and apple. Not gonna have my grandbaby dehydrated. I can't help y'all but to go into grandma mode. I got boo-hoos of these little Dollar Tree to put on your arm. But my husband told me that the ocean is clear, so we probably shouldn't need these too much to put on the wrist, but you never know. We'll see. Motion sick, I'm not playing. For Lincoln, we got this, the liquid, mixed fruit flavor. Then I got the motion sickness patch, put behind my ear. Y'all know I might put one behind my ear, one behind my neck. Ain't no telling what I'm gonna do with this. And I got some more motion sickness something in here. Hold on. Right here. Dramamine, motion sickness. So I'm ready for the motion sickness. Woo! Come on, motion sickness. Woo! Go motion sickness right away. Because I'm ready. Oh, y'all, I found these, y'all, at Dollar Tree. Packing cubes at Dollar Tree. So I grabbed some of these. Found these nice little scarves at Dollar Tree. One of my little nieces are gonna forget their hair scarf. I already know. So I guess I'm grandma now. So I have extra stuff in my suitcase. You know how you go in your mama room, auntie room, grandma room. You have this, have that. So even on the ship, I got y'all. I got an extra one. Somebody gonna forget their hair scarf. I'm gonna tell y'all. And then of course we got the toothpaste, all the basic stuff. Pain relief. I'm not trying to buy their expensive medicine. Coconut oil moisturizer, some more allergy relief pills, deodorant. When y'all were Destiny saw this, she said, "Now, Mom, that is not enough mouthwash for an entire cruise. So I'm gonna get some more mouthwash. Gas relief. Somebody gonna get some gas. Eating all that food on that cruise. So I got some gas relief. I got them, y'all. I got y'all some gas at Dominique Lachey, Destiny. Some of my other cousins. Y'all, we all meeting up from everywhere. So we gonna have a good time. Got some more allergy relief. And then I got these cute little towels. Because I watched somebody's channel said these were good. You just wet them. So I got over like 20 of these. So when I see one of my little nieces or nephews running around, little dirty hands or something, I just wet this, clean them up. And y'all, this right here, they said was a must. The travel adapter. Everybody's video I watched said to take this. So it has 3 right here for the USBs, the plugs, and it pops out here. So I got this one. Because what I did, I had ordered this one. But this one had a cord, so I'm not sure if they'll let me use this one in the room or not. But I'm going to take them both again in case somebody in our group don't have one. I got you. Kleenex. Every morning in my bag, a pack of Kleenex. Oh, and I don't know, look, but somebody's video said pack of fan. I got this cute little small little fan here. It's really cute. It says cruising. Is that not cute? And it pops out and has a little stand on it and I charge it up with the USB. So I can sit there at night right beside me and help me to rest. So we got that one. Decorate the door. Everybody said they're decorating their doors. So this one, mine is my first cruise decoration package. I'm not going to open this up for y'all. But y'all will see it on the cruise when I film a vlog. We got our tags for our ship and sales cards. Hang on your neck. Again, I got enough for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got some extra. Put your little card in here, swipe, and you're good and you're ready to go. I've been buying a lot of little cheap glasses because I'm not taking my designers. So I've been getting a lot of little cheap sunshades. If I lay these down and lose them, I won't cry. Got my toothbrush with the holders, of course. Oh, I got some little magnets because they say the walls are magnetic. So I got these. We can hang some like extra towels or different things up on the little magnetic hooks. This is my fanny pack I got. Y'all like it? It's cute. It's got 2 zippers. I'm not walking around a ship with a purse on them. And got these little hand sanitizers. Y'all actually got these from work. They was in my drawer. So I'm going to give everybody one of these. I got quite a few of these. Just hook them on they can on their side. So before you go to the buffet. And somebody's video I watched gave me a good tip. They said when you go to the buffet to put on a glove. Because when you grabbing the handle behind all those people, that's when you pick up a lot of germs. So I'm going to get some gloves for when we go, but we're going to keep our hand sanitizers also for when we go to the buffet. Oh, I got this for the motion sickness also. I told y'all, sister girl, I'm not playing. So I got this, and this. I'm motion sickness ready. So these are the wristbands. Because I don't know what's going to work because this is my first cruise. So I just got everything. And then I got the tags for my luggage. I'm told y'all got me ready. And I purchased this to put all of my cords in. For all my charging cords and everything. Phone cord. Everything that has to be charged and plugged up. We're going to place those cords in here. And of course, I got some room spray. We got for the poop, because I heard different ones saying something about sometimes how the toilet may smell. Got the down and wrinkle release, because you can't take an iron. So everybody gave a tip, said this stuff works good. All the pro cruisers that I watched said they used the down and wrinkle release. So we got that. Got my own bar of soap. Toothbrush with a battery. Got some extra hair in case somebody wants to throw their hair up in a ponytail. Again, I'm in grandma mode. I got a link of this cute little toothbrush. Got some suntan lotion. Yeah, what is this? I just been buying stuff, y'all. Coconut rice milk shea butter body wash. Some Lysol to spray the room. Clorox to go fast. Fresh and coconut moisturizer lotion. See, I just been buying stuff. Y'all see, look. I got how many different types of toothbrushes, y'all? Probably end up taking this one because it's got the 2 little things in here. More hand sanitizer. Y'all is not going to catch Supportive Mom out there on that ship not prepared. Oh, I didn't show y'all this. This is my carry-on bag that I got for my backpack. I'm going to fill this up. Everybody talked about carrying on certain things in case you don't get your luggage right away when you go to your room. So y'all comment down below and let me know about that. When y'all go on y'all cruises, did y'all get y'all luggage right away or was it a while? But I'm going to have everything in here that I need for the first 4 or 5 hours going to be in here. And y'all, I love this. When I watch some people videos, I saw some people carrying their drinks. Supportive Mom not doing that. I'm going to pop my drinks right on here. And y'all know what this is. Because everybody can carry on a 12-pack. So we can put our drinks on here. It has some cute little wheels on it. Y'all see that? And we're going to strap them on here with this, like this. And we're going to be rocking and rolling. Okay. So we got that. Oh, and I also went and got me a new suitcase. Ta-da! So all of this stuff is going in here. Plus my outfits. And Supportive Mom. I think I'm ready for my cruise. Y'all comment down below if y'all see that I didn't purchase something that y'all think that I may need. Say, Supportive Mom, go back and get this, go back and get that. Because I just been looking at all of the YouTubers. But I need my subscribers. I need for y'all to help me out too. So am I ready for my cruise or not? Well, no, I don't have any outfits, y'all. I got to get some outfits. Tell me a couple of outfits y'all think I make. I want to do all white one day. I want to do a floral outfit one day. Comment down below. Get down there, comment. If you have not hit my subscribe button, hit it. Turn your bell on so you don't miss my videos. Y'all know Supportive Mom love y'all. Hugs and kisses to each and every one of you. Supportive Mom going on a cruise. My first cruise. Enjoy y'all summer. Talk to y'all the next time.
Car fast and furious, got your girl curious. She say she like my Dougie in the way that I deliver it. Baby, she's a lady of the 80s.